Hanging laundry is never fun, but here in Japan, we do it a little bit differently. So they never use the dryer. It's always hang them outside. So I'll show you. Almost every apartment in Japan is equipped with these racks, these poles for laundry, so you can hang everything outside. And the little hangers here come in all different sizes, and you can even buy them at the 100-yen store. They're great. But as you can see, the weather today is not very nice, so nothing will dry here. But instead, I'll show you a nice trick. We'll take it to the bath. So here we are in the Japanese bathroom. You can tell it's a little bit different. On top, they have racks, they have poles, and those poles are used to do your laundry. So I will hang up mine right here. And then, when you come outside of the bath, there is a lot of buttons right here. You can see all those buttons. Well, this one is to dry things. So you can just push dry, and it will set the timer, and then you can dry things. And has different strong and weak. Also, it has a heater to heat up the bath before you go in. So, just leave them there, and you don't have to worry. Even on a rainy day, everything will get dry.